Good afternoon. My name is Kevin Moore. I'm a product support rep at Ground Force Worldwide. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance schedule on a pneumatic system on the Ground Force fuel and lube truck. During every PM cycle of the chassis, we also recommend that you maintain the chassis pneumatic system. This particular model is the Van Air. It is our new company standard. In the past, we've used an SL707, but the maintenance is basically the same. So you're going to open up the top. Okay, first thing you're going to do is change these two air filters here. The part number is actually on the side of them, and it'll be included in a PM kit if you want us to supply the PM kit. Right here is also the service kit for the air compressor. It includes the filters and the oil. Right here is the oil level. You can see the level of the oil through that. If it gets too low, this is where you fill it, right here. Okay, so the air is going to come up here into the water air separator. It's also a filter, so we recommend changing this filter out at every PM cycle. The filter is actually part of the PM kit that we provide for the chassis. When you get to this, once a day, once a shift, once a week, give it a little squeeze, do a little turn, drain the water out. Then it's going to come into here, into the desiccant bead canister. Right here is the indicator. Light blue is good. When that changes to white, change the beads. Then the air is going to come through here into the splitter. The air going this direction is going to go through the lubricator and then off to the hose reel to run any pneumatic tools. The air going through here is going to go through the regulator and down this hose into the pneumatic pumps. The end of your shift, start of your shift, once a week, whatever, to drain the water that's in the holding tank. That's right here. Just open that, crack it, drain the water, and close it. And that's it. Okay, that concludes the maintenance on the pneumatic system of the Ground Force fuel and lube truck. If you have any questions, you can email us at solutions@gfworldwide.com.